Colombia's power system faces many complex challenges, from operational limitations due to congestion and aging infrastructure to strict environmental regulations. With the government pushing for renewable energy integration and the upcoming energy transition, utilities need effective solutions to improve grid capacity, resilience, and efficiency. That's why the Colombian public power utility, EPM, made the strategic choice to use the Helsinki-sized ACCC Conductor in their project aimed to establish power delivery to a new shipping port on the northern coast of Colombia. The project faced a unique challenge as a section of the 115 kV transmission line would cross over a productive banana plantation with strict structure height restrictions due to frequent crop duster plane activity. Using the ACCC Conductor, known for its high capacity and minimal sag, EPM successfully minimized structure height and easement width, while maintaining safe clearances for underbuilt roads, distribution lines, and vegetation. Additionally, steel monopoles with spans ranging from 360 to 500 meters were strategically positioned to reduce environmental impact. This innovative design decreased easement width requirements by 35%, preserving 32 square kilometers of land. As the demand for increased capacity continues to rise in Colombia, while available land becomes limited, the far-reaching impact of this project and others like it go beyond just economic implications. By deploying ACCC conductors, utilities in Latin America are successfully tackling the toughest grid challenges and playing a pivotal role in contributing to a more efficient and sustainable future.